So when I press the switch once, it turns off this light, but it turns on the light in my hall, bedroom, and in my stairs. If I press it twice, it does the same thing, but it also turns on this light. And as you can see, it has the same effect here. And if I turn it off, it turns off all the lights, including this one, the hall light, the bedroom light, these two, but it does not affect my living room lights, even though these lights are part of the living room group. And that's because I'm now using the zones functionality with this dimmer switch. So that's a useful thing that you can do now. So in this downstairs zone that I've created, it has the two lights in the stairs that I showed you, and the gallery and hall light downstairs, and the bedroom light. It also has the entrance light, and what I've done is I've set up a scene called on entrance dark, which has all of the lights turned on except for the entrance light, as you can see here. And when you do this, it has the effect that I just showed you. And I can show you how that looks on the dimmer switch, downstairs switch. So it's set up to affect this one zone that I just showed you. And on the first press, it turns on everything except the entrance lights. On the second press, everything is turned bright. And then I just alternate between those two on the third, fourth, and fifth presses. And that's pretty much it. Now, the advantage of doing this is that if I'm not physically present in the entrance, such as if I have closed the door to the entrance, and I want to turn off the light in the entrance, I can simply press the switch once, and the light turns off, while the light is still on inside. So I can still turn it back on by just pressing this twice, which makes the switch control 2 rooms in practice for the price of 1 dimmer switch. And I can still turn off all the lights with 1 click. Thank you for watching. I hope you found this useful.